Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how you can use Character AI website without creating an account. After watching this small video, you'll be able to use all of Character AI features on your computer without needing to create an account. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So basically first you need to open up any web browser. After that, you need to go to the URL box and type character.ai. This will take you to the official website where you can chat with different kind of characters. And as you can see, I am not logged in or signed up. Even though the process of logging in and signing up isn't actually that difficult, and you can just use your Google account. But if you don't want to, that's fine. You can still use most of the website features. So you can still use any of their characters to talk to, and you can open up any of the chatbots and talk to it. Let's use this character as an example. Let's try saying hi to it. And as you can see, it's responding to me. I'm not being asked to sign in or anything. You can also select these different categories without any issue. You can find any of the chatbots and talk to it without any problem. The only difference and the only thing that you do need to be signed up for is creating your own character. So if you want to create your own character or if you want to create a room, you do need to be signed in. So here I'll click create a character. And as you can see, it is asking me to sign up and log in. So that's really the only thing that you need an account to do. So you can use 95 of the website without. So that was it. That was how you can use Character AI and its features without creating or logging into an account. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.